and today I'm struggling for Bob's makeup tutorial. My husband found small tennis balls with eyes on them, but I've decided to turn them around and draw eyes myself. So I cut them by halves and then I started with applying brown eye pencil to draw the base for our makeup. I'm already really sorry for my voice and maybe I'm a little bit twisting words because I just feel ill, but I want to make this tutorial so bad, so we are doing it anyway because I don't want you to wait it for too long. I've made small holes in those eyes to see at least something, but if you do it for your Halloween makeup, maybe think about something else because you will see so little and you'll have to turn your head so badly. And yeah, I know that a lot of people don't want to buy a lot of stuff, so I'm a big fan of creating creative makeups by using things you can find at your home. I know that maybe you'll not find their liquid latex that we'll use later, but I like saving money on something where I can save it. So right after I've decided on my mouth shape, I'm starting to cover it all with liquid latex. I found this latex in one of local party shops, but honestly telling you, it smells so bad. I don't like working with brushes and latex because it's much easier to throw everything away after it, so instead of this, I'm using my fingers. And now we have to let it dry completely because you don't want to cut it before it's dried. Please be really careful, please be gentle with your face, think of what you are doing, and because I don't want to be in charge of what happens with you. I really hope that you'll be okay after everything because you need your face. Your parents need your face. Everyone loves you with your face, okay? Now I'm applying a little bit more of latex just to make sure we are having nice shape. After we completed the shape of our mouth, we are going to make our eyes. And I'm doing the same way, the same thing. I'm applying latex as base, and after that I'm applying our cotton pads. This will help our eyes not to fall off every time and make the base for them. My advice to all of you, not to cover your brows with latex. I did it one time in my life and it was awful. Quick eye check. Everything fits. Eye sits. I'm really reminding you to drink some water. Even now, water is what you need. For every makeup now, for every SFX makeup, I'm using water-based face colors because it's so much easier to take them off than cream ones, and you will not waste a life in shower. You really need to be gentle with this step because you don't want to take everything off. So you need to remove a little bit, just a little bit. The more latex will stay in your outer corner, the better it will stay on your face. After that, I'm filling this hole with black, and so we will do also for the eyes. For this step, you have a lot of options. You can use brush and water-based colors. You may use eyeliner, you may use eye pencil. It depends on you because I choose to start with water-based, but then I've decided to go with eye pencil. And here I'm drawing dots for our future holes. First I thought to draw this one, but we are making SFX makeup now. And again, please be gentle, be careful with your face, because I'm using small scissors to make dots. I'm using hairpin as needle for this one. I've decided not to waste the length, so I'm just hiding it inside of the mouth. Few final steps here and we are ready. I'll put all products that I used in description. Your likes are my magic pill for motivation, so remember to subscribe to this channel and remember that you're already beautiful.